Okay, guys, I finished, guys. That's guys in the sink. Yeah, don't mind that mermaid tail right there. And guys, that's right. My hook. I don't. Okay, guys, yeah. Where am I placing that when I'm done? Like putting this, like after done drying it, I might put it right here. You know, guys, yeah, that's really cool, right? This thing out of here. Wait, this is my. I found my jacket I've been looking for forever. Yeah, but I did there. Okay, we're about that right now. We're about doing stuff. We're seeing the future. Wait, I don't think my sink like filled with that hot water. I don't know, good nothing it does. Hold up, I need to go bathroom. Hey guys, I went to the bathroom, took off my nice shoe. Yeah. I think I wear my pants almost. The door cannot close. Good. This house is like built in the 60s, 50s. I don't know. I don't know when I was born. I don't know when it was built, but whatever. Wait, did you think here? Did water get like in the battery place? Guys, it's not even wet in this. Cause I need to go back outside and go do stuff. Okay, guys, hold on. Let me pause you. Okay, I'm back. I just put some nice snow in there from outside. It's all wet. Oh, okay, guys, but real guys, I do not think the my sink actually uses hot water. I don't think so. Cause house built so long ago. I don't even think you had like water, like hot water filtered water in the house. Okay, guys, ready? Guys, ready? What the heck that metal thing is right there? That's my sink. It's like it can like turn like. Guys, I'm gonna show you how what this sink can actually do. Here, show you what it can actually do. Look what that can do. It can really go off the whole sink. Yeah, those sinks are kind of cool. They like stretch around the whole way. What is this button do? Cause I just got a button back in my sink. It's not a real button. Something they like pull up. I don't know what the heck is this. It's like something like drain your sink or something. That's something like flooding. I don't know. I don't need to use it. I used it one time. I don't know what it does. I don't know what sink it has a hot water. The house is so old. I turn the water now. Water for a minute. Hold on. It's called Price Buster. Price Buster. You ready? I think I'm different. Yeah, honestly, guys, I'm gonna think even has hot water. I think you guys just scoop in one thing. I don't get into this. Here, I put this one at the same time. Hot. You guys, I always never noticed. So here, guys, I think has hot water. I never noticed. I never knew that. It got all over my. I got all over me. Hey guys, this is so sad. Oh my god, I'm dying, getting water all over the place. Okay, guys, I think I should just calm down. Where's a towel? Hold up, guys. I need to get a towel out of my closet. I just gotta what? There we go. I got water like literally like all over the universe. So you guys might be on here for a while, watching me just clean up. Oh my god, just so much water everywhere. My mom's gonna be so mad at me. Oh. Yeah, Mom has like a hairbrush with like hair in it. This is it. Let me take out the hair real fast. Hold on. Ugh. Can I brush my hair for a minute? Oh, that hurt. Guys, I'm at my mom's house, not my dad's house, when I have my like mark on my face. So yeah. Okay, guys. You guys might like be here for a while, like watching this whole thing right here. Yay! It's old. I'm really breaking up everything right now. I'm breaking stuff. Okay, guys. Yeah. Guys. If I'm gonna post like all videos, I'm gonna do like every like Wednesday or okay guys. Every week, guys. I'm gonna post a video every Wednesday and every Monday. Guys, if I'm gonna post like after school. Go for school like at 3:10. That's still 15. So yeah. God. Okay, so guys, I need to put this in here. Still so much water in here. Okay, guys, so my towel just fell down, guys. Yeah, if you want, okay, guys, I found a use for this. Band-Aid. Hold on, guys, I need to get my sink real fast. I'm going to my cabinet. Oh. I found my cool scissors, guys. Oh. What are these, guys? I do not know what those are. Here are the cool scissors. Let's wait for my mom to see that on my going gang. Wait. Guys, my mom just got inside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh god, hold on, she's yelling at me. Hold on, pop. But like, my mom's kind of yelling at me, so yeah. Could you notice you came home and noticed I got water everywhere? I'm gonna show you. Wait. No, I think getting on my shoe. Guys, I'm back. I got this. Okay, guys, I just wondering how long it's been since I did this. It's been like a day. I just like woke up just now, guys. If you're wondering, you guys might be thinking, no, it's been a few minutes. Just doing something. No, I literally just woke up. It's like 6:05 in the morning, you know? I think. guys are doing that news keep going on. It's the news. It's the news that's on right now. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, but it's stinky. Smell it.
So don't lose hope if you try for a minute or two with no success. You won't suck forever, or you'll
Yeah,
just
but
get
you guys,
so
as you can see, guys,
you can skip past the joint
it's
panels
all
at the end
dried.
of the level,
Look at it.
meaning just one stud must be touched in the level. Chapter 2 is fairly straightforward. The two menacing studs
See, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna make a video. Okay, hold on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel and like subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.